It's our first time. This is gonna be something special. It's gonna be something special.
Yeah.
We are here for Comic Con, MCM Comic Con. Let's see what we can find. We're on the hunt for One Piece TCG. My niece is also looking for One Piece. Isn't that right? So let's see what we can find. We'll see. There's going to be Pokémon, there's going to be One Piece, there's going to be a whole bunch of stuff. So we're going to see what we can find. And yeah, I'm excited. RPS Nana and I am back. This time we have a special episode. It's going to be a bit different because we are at MCM Comic Con in London. I'm with my brother, my niece, my nephew. Let's go. All right, well, where is it?
I'll be very quick. There's no
Go
one
on.
there.
Thank you for inviting us. What are we hoping to see today?
One Piece, Pokémon, and K-pop Demon Hunters. Don't worry if you've seen the movie.
Don't worry if you've seen the movie.
Yeah. Because it's a very new movie.
Yeah?
It's really good, I like it.
All right, so K-pop Demon Hunter, One Piece, Pokemon.
Hi guys, welcome to Special. Today,
Oh yeah, look, there's Hustle, yeah.
we
Oh,
are
hang on. We've got to check this out. Come on. Alright. Give me my phone. Okay, let's explore here. Let's go.
so that's what I was.
This is Overlord. It's from the Overlord anime. Oh my days. Okay.
Alright, come on, everyone. We're in. Okay. Alright, everybody.
We are inside Comic Con now. We've just gone into the first part, so I don't actually know where we are, but we've got the food court to our right and then Pop Asia. So, oh, sorry. Are you bumping into me on purpose? So we're in Pop Asia. This is where you're gonna find your K-pop Demon Hunter.
The Pokemon.
So let's see, what are we going to find
They're like a
here
map you can get.
on the app? Have you downloaded the app? Download the app. You sure you don't want comic books?
Very good. We're just having a look right now. First look.
Lightsabers. Look. These are like official.
Oh my god. Who's that? Iron Patriot. Wow. I remember him. Oh look. Oh look, Leo Beyblade. There. He's getting him into Beyblade, so we're on the hunt. We're on the hunt. Interesting.
Yeah, I think I've got the small ones. These are like,
And this is all from Japan, yeah?
these are all from Japan, yeah.
I see. There's some
Yeah.
Japanese Beyblades.
Yeah, so and if you look at the quality, they're proper metal.
Oh, okay.
They're not
Yeah, not the plasticky one. Oh, Leo, these will be hard. He won't lose the battle. All right, cool. All right, we're exploring. You'll probably see us, yeah?
Listen,
Yeah.
if you want some, I'll put some.
All right, nice one. Thank you. This guy's a serious guy here. Look, let's see this back.
Whoa.
Wow.
I'm gonna be honest, I'm seeing way more Pokemon than One Piece. So all we can see is Pokemon. But they do have a box there for 12. And we do have some One Piece singles, so not bad. Not bad.
You can understand why it makes a lot of boxes just to get this gold and never got it. That's the really I wanted that to complete the set. You've got a box there. You've got an OP5 there. Do you know how many? You know what the boxes are going for these days? A lot. Yeah, they're at 400 now. You just have to wait for Bandai to restock. See, I've got that. Put that towards it. Got the buggy in the VGS10 already. Nice. Saves you the headache. I've got OPO1 Shanks PRB. So what's that? And that's from the premium one? Yeah, premium, but it's 01, so that one's only going up. But really, the Unity Pokemon as well, nah? Nah, literally just One Piece. Yeah, that's it. That's my best card. No, but I'm gonna give you heat though. I agree, you would, and it is a lot of heat, but I can't let it go. Yeah, I just can't. Like I need to grade that and just leave it because when I tell you I've opened 3 OP5 and the boxes are awful. Oh, wait, hold on, these. Unless you want me to have them. Alright, let's do this then. I'll take those. Did you want a box of PRB? Hopefully the internet's working, boss. If you can check if your internet's working. Yeah, I just do a few opening of packs basically when I'm playing. So we're giving up. We got Dark, we got Kaido, we got the Teaching Dragon, and I'm putting that towards 2 PRB 02 boxes. So we're getting 2 mangas or some Gold Dawn God packs. Let's go. Now bless the pack.
Who is Rumi?
Look at it. It's beautiful. What do you think? Do you like it?
Who is Rumi? Tell me who Rumi is. From Demon Pop. Oh, this is cool. Look at that.
Oh, I got them
like
to do this.
drawing the characters, Japanese calligraphy. Prismatic is £14 for 1 pack. Wow. I've got a Prismatic booster box. It must be worth a lot then. Hey, I think we should go right. Unless you're looking at, you even like these, what do you call it? What's a mega heel? What's a mega heel? They've got these Pokemon. They've got Pokemon thing.
There's some Pokemon things here.
No. You've got Pokemon teddies.
Yeah, no.
How many PRBs do they have?
I'll let you go and ask. Huh?
Look, it's like a snow globe.
Oh, interesting. Please do not touch.
And then look at the background. What do you think that is? this is like a cool little section. They're playing some TCGs around it. I don't know if anyone's playing One Piece. I haven't even got my deck with me, so let's see what this table's got. They do have some One Piece, but I'm not looking for those boxes, so nah. It's just a lot of magic here.
One of these Luffy hats. Literally, I don't know if I could queue in this, especially if they don't have OP09. Yeah, we're gonna have to go somewhere else. We can't stay in. Who says this? How much are they?
Yeah, so the ones on the wall are glossy. Those start at 60.
Okay.
It will be 2 for 55 each, or 3 for 50 each. The ones on the table, these are embossed, so it's more matte and textured. These are going to be 90. No, sorry, 70. 70. Yeah, the mirror ones over here are 90.
90.
For the mirrors. These are
mirror
70.
ones there.
Yeah.
Jesus. This one looks amazing. The Gear 5 Luffy.
The artist is also going to be here today doing free signings for these.
Okay.
Brotherhood Games has a big collection of One Piece singles. A lot. This is interesting. Okay. But it's packed. It's so busy here.
That is from the second anniversary. So what have you got? You're looking to trade with them?
Yeah, we did a deal.
What have you got there?
Just got some One Piece cards.
What are you looking for all of this? What are you trading them for?
Oh, we've already, this is like £140 worth. I'm just trading it for.
Oh, and you want Pokemon with it? Alright, Comic Con is done, it's over, we are leaving. It's been fun, I did enjoy it. I've walked away with some PRB02 and I've traded away some cards. Some cards that I did promise to put into a giveaway, but don't worry, the giveaway's still coming. It's gonna come once I figure it out. But either way, it's good. The kids are knackered, but I enjoyed it. So we're probably gonna have to come to one of these again soon. I've got another card show in November, so this will be different. But yeah, Comic Con is approved.